how to draw the Ole Miss logo. We are going to start by drawing the O right here, and there is going to be a small divot near the top right part of the O. The divot will be here. Nice job! Next, we are going to draw the inside of the O. For this, we are going to draw an oval, but we are not going to draw the top left part of it. Starting near the top left of that oval, we are going to draw a small line going to the right and then a curved line connecting to the top of the oval. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the O. Next, we are going to draw the L right next to the O. For this, we are going to draw a curved line that will be right here. At the bottom where we left off, we are going to extend this curved line to the right and up a little bit. Awesome job! Then from that, we are going to draw a small curved line going to the right, similar to the bottom of the L. Then at the bottom of the long line of the L, we are going to draw a small curved line going to the right. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the E. For this, we are going to draw a curved line right here. Then we are going to draw a small curved line going to the right from where we left off, connecting to the bottom part of the E we drew earlier. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost done drawing the L and E, but first we are going to draw two ovals that will be inside of them right here and here. Nice job! We are all done drawing the first part of the Ole Miss logo. Next, we are going to draw the word Miss below Ole. We will start with the left side of the M, and for this, we are going to draw a line that will be right here. Nice job! Then to finish the very top left of the M, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to where we started this line. Awesome! Then from this, we are going to draw a very small line going downwards and then a curved line going around to the right. Nice job! Next, we are going to draw two curved lines similar to the one that we just drew that are going to be going towards the right. for the top humps of the M. Then from the hump that we just left off at, we are going to draw a slightly diagonal line going downwards and to the left just a little bit. Also at the bottom of this line, we are going to have a small curved line going upwards. Awesome job! Next we are going to go back to the bottom left of the M and draw a line that goes downwards a little bit and up just like this. Then connecting to this, we are going to draw the middle part of the M. This is going to look very similar to the left part of the M that we just drew. Great job! Then from this, we are going to draw a line going downwards that curves at the bottom. Awesome! Now we are going to draw the eye. For this, we are going to draw a curved shape that will go right here. Then above that, we are going to draw a small circle for the dot of the eye. Looks awesome! Next, we are going to begin drawing the S's. We will start by drawing a small curved line right here. Next, we are going to start at the bottom of the eye and we are going to draw a small curved line going upwards that then continues up right here. Then at the top of this line, we are going to draw a small curved line going downwards. Then from this, we are going to draw a bigger curved line going downwards that goes out to the right a little bit. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw a curved line right here. Then we are going to draw the inside outline of our S by drawing a small triangular shape right here. Then we are going to draw the next S the exact same way, and we will start with a line going upwards right here that curves at the top. Nice job! Then for the right side of the S, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards from that goes out to the right a little bit, and the rest of the S we are going to draw just like the other one. The only difference will be that on the right side of the S, we are going to draw a small curved shape ending the S. This is how to draw the Ole Miss logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and comment down below what you would like to see us draw next. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.